Here we are, we got the Airbag man boys rocking up to pick up the patrol. It's early morning. Just making them a little fresh coffee off their inverter. Pretty stoked.
Far out.
Here they come, I can hear them.
What a weapon. How's that?
Morning boys.
What's going on here?
How are we?
Yeah, good man. You've done well.
How are
Yeah.
you? You all good?
Oh, look at the setup.
Little coffee, I've got, there's yours, I've already pre-made that one
thanks,
for
man.
you.
Loving it.
There's yours, Benny, she's just brewing off the inverter as we speak, so how good's that?
That is sick.
So once we have that, I'll give you a bit of a show around the car.
Yeah, done. Let's do it.
We've obviously pulled the bar off for starters. And when you give it a little nudge, mate.
I just sent it. You sent it?
But yeah, we pulled it off. We've straightened it the best we could and then put a slight bit of filler in it. Primed the whole bar and coloured it in basically, as painters say, giving it a coat of Duco.
Looks beautiful.
Put the centre loop bar on that you guys supplied. That's the ARB Sahara bar.
That's nice.
Obviously put the new Ultra Visions on for you. I might Spotties. Also the new Raptor light bar. I might even light her up, eh? If you go to the top, make sure you look right into the eyes. Into it, boys. It's good for your eyes.
Far out.
That's everything on.
Are they meant to be on?
So that's on. And I've got, they're all on separate switches obviously, Benny, so you have them on and off alternatively, whatever you want.
Yep. That looks nice. How good are they? Big spotties. What else? Loving it. Absolutely loving it.
We've also added a little button for you, for, as Raymond calls it, which is our Sparky, your tailgate repellent.
Oh yeah.
So when if you have anyone coming up the rear, for instance an LC200 that's annoying you, you can just light them up. So that's just on the left here, Benny. Mate, also in here we fitted you the Pioneer stereo that you wanted.
Yep.
Put the reverse camera on.
That's great.
Awesome.
So that's all sorted. Yeah, you've got the
Max track.
The Max tracks.
Yeah, I've been waiting for this.
Solar panel, I forgot them, probably the main ingredient. We've got the big solar panel up here.
Yep.
And that all feeds to your Red Arc 40 amp DC charger.
Yep.
Yeah, Max track. We mainly mounted them this morning. We've got a little side light there for when you're setting up the fire, boys, and cutting some firewood. Come around to the back. Obviously, one of your guys' favourite parts, the Razlar rear bar.
Oh, that's great. Good.
So yeah, there's the reversey.
These are the goods.
There we go.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, here's the MSA drawers. There's some accessories as well for you boys. Yeah, they light up so you can see it at night. Same with that one.
Nice.
So with this build, it was an issue having room for the lithium battery. So because you've got all airbags and air tanks in the front as well as the rear, there was no room for the lithium. So what we've done, we've put the lithium in behind this drawer up there, out of sight, out of mind. You don't see it at all. So no one would even know there's a battery in this car for accessories, to be honest, because it's out of sight, out of mind. So
Yeah, that's great.
inverter there, all hidden, tucked in, so it's power on, power off with the little red arc there. It's a pretty neat bit of gear. And then we've got the fridge. So fridge cable cuddy there, that stops the, see that for the wire, so your fridge wire doesn't get caught.
Yeah, that is.
So you just pull that down, just like that. So obviously you boys can do the open the fridge up. I can't do that for the first time. Have a bit of a squeeze. You have to.
Yeah, that's sick.
Oh, there we go. There's a little hat and a bloody shirt.
Little gifts.
Get one of them each.
Yeah,
and
nice.
how's that?
That's great.
Take your shirt out. Take your shirt out, boys.
Look at that.
Oh,
Oh,
Jesus.
Whoa.
A couple of beers for the boys. How's that for service?
You're a legend. No way.
We've built plenty of patrols before. This thing was epic. Anything to do with the Airbag boys has been phenomenal for the McCormacks 4WD team. anything from the fridge cable caddy to the spotties, lithium batteries, you name it, it's got it. We put everything into this for the boys, and just hopefully they can go out and have some fun with it and really use what it's built for. So yeah, overall, probably my favourite part would have to be fridge cable caddy. Definitely the lithium Enerdrive battery system, the Raslar rear bar. Geez, actually it's all good. What isn't good, eh boys? So yeah, cool.
There we go, guys. That's a wrap for a quick sneak peek of the patrol. Bloody hell, it is sunny out here. What a day though. What a day. Oh, God, how about that? So there we go, here's the patrol. Now we are going to be doing a full rundown on this patrol so you can see all the ins and outs. So stay tuned for that. Yeah.